2 hours. That's how much free time I used to get each day, if I was lucky. Then something changed. I didn't work harder. I didn't wake up earlier. I just switched to a productivity system that actually worked. And now, I have double the free time every single day. This system is simple, powerful, and you can start using it today. Let me guess. You've tried to-do lists. You've tried waking up at 5 a.m. You've downloaded productivity apps, set timers, even watched videos like this one. But you still end the day feeling exhausted and somehow behind. The problem isn't you. It's the system you're using. Because most productivity advice is about doing more instead of doing better. My breakthrough came when I started treating my time like money. Just like budgeting your cash, I started budgeting my hours. Every minute now has a job. And the results? Game-changing. Prioritization, the 80-20 rule. First, focus on the 20% of tasks that bring 80% of your results. Each week, choose just 3 key goals. Forget the rest. Ruthlessly prioritize. Elimination, the not-to-do list. Second, create a not-to-do list. Identify distractions and habits that steal your time. And eliminate them. Social media, constant emails, multitasking, all gone. Energy matching. Match your toughest tasks to your energy peaks. Work with your body, not against it. For most people, the best focus window is mid-morning. Protect that time like gold. In just a few days, I gained 2 to 3 extra hours every single day. Time I now use to read, walk, rest, or simply do nothing. And strangely enough, my work. Better, more focused, done faster. Here's how you can try this starting today. Pick your top 3 goals for the week on Sunday night. 2. Use Google Calendar or a planner to block time around those goals. 3. List your top 5 distractions and avoid them like the plague. 4. Track your energy peaks and protect those hours for deep work. Try this system for just 7 days. You'll be amazed at how much time you actually have when you stop wasting it. If this helped you, like the video, hit subscribe, and comment below with your favorite productivity trick. Because sometimes, less really is more.